Welcome to CAT 36. We see today a small steel platform. It to be 1.5 meter into 1.5 meter square platform, and the height to be 1840, and the base plate is 300 into 200. This is the member. The member size is ISMB 200, and the top to be channel 150, ISMC 150. This is the platform. Then we see the handrail. Go to weldment 3D sketch. Now no need to select the plane, we can directly draw it. Select the origin point and go with the XY plane, XY axis, and draw a line. Then you again select the pencil and mark a line to the ZX axis and go down to the XY plane, XY axis. Again select the pencil and take it in the ZX axis. When you start making these drawings, you will easily understand which axis we have to take it. Then close the line. Again draw the one more leg there. Okay. Then select all the four lines to be equal, and the top of four lines to be equal, because our platform is 1.5 meter square, so we go with the equal, all to be equal size, and this height to be 1840 from base plate to the top of this, and this to be 1.5 meter. Okay, this we have set. Then close the sketch and we go to the structural member. This time I am going to select the JIS because our section is 200, I beams 200, so I go to the I section and select the 200 member, and all four leg to be 200 member, so I select all four to be 200 member. Now click OK, and this is done. And go to the bottom and select the sketch and click the normal to, and we make a base plate. So for base plate we go to the rectangle, center rectangle, and from the center of this point to make a small rectangle there. The size to be 300 into 200, this to be 200. Okay, then make a center line. We mark a small center line to mirror all this base plate to the four sides, four location. So again make a center line and select the midpoint and make a center line or construction line, okay, anything. Okay, and select the mirror entity and click the about and click OK. Again select the mirror entity and select this both base plate, and again mirror about and select the center line and click OK. Then we got it a 4 base plate here. Again go to the extrude and extrude to the 10 mm. It is showing downward, flip it. Now we want to be up, this. Okay, again select the top of the beam, select the sketch and click normal. Again go to the rectangle, center rectangle, again mark it from the center, the rectangle, and again mark it the center rectangle, and the rectangle to be size 250 into 200. Okay, and dimension it to be 250 and this to be 200. Okay, again same thing we want to repeat. Again select the center line or construction line, mark it small one, is enough. Again select the center line make a small center line. Okay, then go to mirror entities, select this mirror about, select, again select mirror entities, select this both, center line, and okay, now we got it. Then go to extrude, not this, go to extrude and select this all four plates and select, check the direction. It is showing upward but we need it in downward. Flip it the direction, then go to the 10 mm thick and click OK. Okay, now we got it, this members, and this to be 12 mm thick, base plate to be 12 mm thick, change to 12 mm. Okay, now we have done. So now we want to check, so go to the search bar and select a measure. If you don't have this measuring tool icon, go to select this point and select this end point. So we need y to be vertical to be 1840. Okay, 1840, it is okay. Then go to the weldment, extend trim. So we have to trim now select the bodies to be trimmed. So select the body, all four bodies, and select the face or plane. We select face or plane and click this and select this below that one, below the beam area. Again select here. Okay, if you want to keep the welding gap to be 2 mm or 1 mm, you can maintain, otherwise you can put it 0 for the welding gap. Okay, then it is trimmed, all four sides it is trimmed. Then we can go for the top platform area. This to be 150 channel, this all sides to be 150 channel. Okay, then go to weld mat and structural member, select same JIS and channel size to be 150/75 into 6.5 mm thick. Then select all these four lines to connect the platform, these four. Okay, and all to be corner, and locate profile. All these are being shown in the center. So locate profile and select the center of the channel. So we will get it all to be in the center. So this will match with the drawing. Click OK. Okay, this is, and we select the material, because with the material only we will get the weight of the structure. So the material is A36 steel, so the density of this one will be 7850. So this density we will match with the weight in kg. So we will select that A36 material, A36 steel. This is how we make a steel platform. So this is matching with that same drawing. Then we see the handrails, how to fix the handrail. Next video we see how to fix the handrail. Thanks for watching and subscribe our channel.